McDo, may anam mo.
Oo, yung pepper steak. Baka creamy. Yan kasi hindi.
Want me to teach you Tagalog? Okay.
Ang sarap. Okay lang.
Bakit means why? Ano means why? Salamat means thank you.
Tikman mo yung ubi fiber. Mainit ah. Let's do na. Una. Mainit ah. Iba mo. Mainit lang pag Yummy. Tuna. Kay mama yung mango. Mainit tuna.
Ako mango. Nagusto ko yung mango.
Ate tayo.
Hindi mo na mauubos lang eh. Kainin mo na muna yung rice mo. Hindi ka na mauubos.
I have mango pie. And having in McDonald's just popping like Jollibee, we're the first one to have a pie. That's why I love Jollibee.